Hey, my couponing friends, CVS has some really good in-store deals this week, and I'm going to show you how I would roll my extra care bucks so the out-of-pocket stays low. These deals are valid June 14th through June 20th, 2026. Before you shop, open your CVS app, clip your digital coupons, check your personalized CVS coupons, and scan your card at the coupon center. Also, make sure your Ibotta and P&G rebates are showing before you check out, because rebates can vary by account. Start with the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Toner. It's priced at $8.49. Use the $5 L'Oreal Facial Skincare coupon, pay $3.49, and get back $5 in ExtraBucks. That makes it a $1.51 moneymaker. Now take that $5 and roll it into the next transaction. Next, grab the oral care deal. Pick up 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpastes, 2 Colgate mouthwashes, and 2 Toms of Maine toothpastes. Use the $4 Colgate toothpaste coupon, the $4 Colgate mouthwash coupon, the $4 Toms coupon, and the $10 off $25 oral care CVS coupon if you have it. Your total should be around $7.89 before rolling rewards. Use the $5 ExtraBucks from the L'Oreal deal. Pay about $2.89 out of pocket and get back $8 in ExtraBucks. That makes this oral care deal a moneymaker after rewards. Now roll that $8 into the next transaction. For this one, grab 2 Axe deodorants. They are buy one, get one 50% off. Use the $7 off 2 Axe coupon. You'll pay $2.44 and get back $2 in ExtraBucks, making both deodorants only 44 cents after rewards. Then grab 2 Carefree liners. They are also buy one, get one 50% off. You'll pay $2.83 and get back $2 in ExtraBucks, making them 83 cents for both. Add 2 Dial hand soaps. They are buy one, get one 40% off. You'll pay $5.42, get back $3 in ExtraBucks, and submit for 50 cents back on Ibotta. That makes both hand soaps $1.92 after rewards and rebate. For that full transaction, your total is about $10.69 before rolling. Use the $8 in ExtraBucks from the oral care deal. Pay about $2.69 out of pocket and get back $7 in ExtraBucks plus the 50 cents Ibotta rebate. Next, roll that $7 into beauty. Grab 2 Vitamasques Diamond Eye Pads. They are $3.19 each, so you'll pay $6.38 and get back $5 in ExtraBucks. Final cost is $1.38 for both. Then grab 2 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Makers eyeliners. They are $6.29 each. Use one $4 CoverGirl coupon and one $3 CoverGirl coupon. You'll pay $5.58 and get back $4 in ExtraBucks. Final cost is $1.58 for both. Together, that transaction is $11.96 before rolling. Use your $7 in ExtraBucks, pay about $4.96 out of pocket, and get back $9 in ExtraBucks. Now roll that $9 into laundry. For the Gain deal, grab 1 Gain Flings, 1 Gain liquid detergent, and 1 Gain dryer sheets. Use the $3 Gain Flings coupon, the $1 Gain liquid coupon, and the $2 Gain sheets coupon. You'll pay $26.47 before rolling. Use the $9 in ExtraBucks from the beauty deal, and your out-of-pocket drops to about $17.47. You'll get back $10 in ExtraBucks and submit for the $5 P&G rebate. Final cost is $11.47 for all 3 Gain items after rewards and rebate. Now roll that $10 into the final deal. Grab 1 big Purex liquid laundry detergent and 2 Palmolive dish soaps. Use the 75-cent Palmolive digital coupon. Your total is $15.22 before rolling. Use the $10 ExtraBucks from the Gain deal, pay about $5.22 out of pocket, get back $5 in ExtraBucks, and submit for $1.50 back on Ibotta for the Purex. So here's the final breakdown. You're grabbing 23 items. Your cash paid after rolling comes to about $36.72. You're getting back $7 in rebates and ending with $5 in ExtraBucks. That makes the final net around $24.72 for 23 items, or about $1.07 each. That's oral care, deodorant, hand soap, liners, skincare, makeup, dish soap, and laundry for just over $1 per item. Remember, check your app first, clip your coupons, scan at the coupon center, and make sure your rebates are still available before you pay. If you want more CVS roll deals like this, subscribe, because I'm helping you coupon smarter every single week.